name is Bhavin Adaveni, co-founder of Express Red Champs, and welcome back to our channel. So this video is primarily for aspiring lawyers, people in high school that are curious about these different types of lawyers, and people in law school that don't know what type of lawyers they're going to be. And that is totally okay, and I'm here to inform you guys about the different types of lawyers in today's society. So there'll also be another part, so stay tuned. So first, litigation lawyer. So if you want to know what a litigation lawyer is, you have to know what litigation is. So litigation is process of suing another company or organization, or taking the case and of legal action to it. So litigation lawyers can help with fighting for equality, human rights, social freedom, or discrimination that a group might be facing. Also, what these litigation lawyers can do is represent the plaintiff or the defendant. So the plaintiff is the person that's suing the other company for their rights being violated, and defendants are the people that are being accused. So also, many of these litigation lawyers are either working for the government or public service. So an example of this is actually in the FBI. There's a separate sector known as the civil rights sector. So in the civil rights sector, they fight for sexual trafficking and hate crime issues, and that's what they do. Next, corporate lawyers. So first, a corporation is an entity that's created under state law to manage a business. So corporate lawyers help basically with the formation of the business, because a small business might not know what to do. So also they help with guidance on their rights, what they can do, what they can't do, what to do to make sure that they're safe, and also drafting agreements on behalf of their corporation, so legalizing forms and etc. So another misconception is that corporate lawyers and business lawyers are the same. So corporate lawyers actually handle the regulations, the rules, and etc., the formation of the business, while on the other hand, these business lawyers handle the interactions between the business and their customers, so business to consumer, and etc. Essentially, they help run the legal aspect of the corporation. Last but not least, bankruptcy lawyers. So first, what is a bankruptcy? So a bankruptcy is when a company is going through a severe debt or crisis and they're unable to pay their money to their creditor. So essentially, these bankruptcy lawyers come in and they try to help the creditor to resolve the dispute between the creditor and the debtor. Because when a company can't pay a certain amount of money, they deal with a lot of issues and which are very troublesome. So you might be wondering, when I was saying creditor and debtor, what do these mean? So actually, a creditor is they need their money owed to them, and they don't have it yet, and the debtors are the people that are unable to give the money because of the bankruptcy that they're going through. Whether they're having an argument in court and negotiating in council, these bankruptcy lawyers come in and they try to resolve the dispute between both of them. So also, another way that bankruptcy lawyers can help these two parties are to stay neutral, and they don't help with any of the parties. They just make sure to see if the process between the creditor and the debtor is fair, and make sure the bankruptcy process overall is equal between both sides. So hopefully now you can see how lawyers serve a purpose, and you can see what lawyers do on a day-to-day basis. Thank you, and stay tuned to Express Right.